What's up guys, it's your boy Andre and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Now, there's a word in Jamaican Patois that we use to say you guys or you all. Now, you may or may not have heard it before, but just in case you haven't, stick around and we'll dive right into it after this. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel where we teach the language of Jamaica and try to do our part to preserve the Jamaican culture. In today's video, you may notice that I'm wearing a t-shirt, which is a shameless plug to a book that I currently have on Amazon called Jamaican Patois, Get Past Yaman and Speak Jamaican for Real. It's currently available on Amazon or where books are sold in all formats. So that would be paperback, hardcover, ebook, and audiobook narrated by yours truly. In the last couple of videos, we looked at me when it means I, me, and my. We looked at fi when it means for, to, and should. We looked at you, the singular form of you and your. And today, as promised, we're going to look at the plural form of how we say you. And if you watch the video all the way till the end, I'll explain to you how we're going to keep track of all of our progress. Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay, so last week we looked at the singular form in Jamaican Patois of how we say you. In today's video, we're going to look at how Jamaican Patois does it in the plural form. Okay, so whenever you're addressing two or more people directly, whether it's a small group or a large arena, as long as they're within earshot, the word we use in Jamaican Patois is uno. Now, you might see it spelled differently, but the word uno means you all or you guys. Now, the way we use uno when it comes to state of being is similar to how we use me or you. You simply pair uno with the state of being that you're currently in. So for example, uno happy, uno hungry, uno annoyed would be you are happy, you are hungry, you are annoyed. You guys. So when it comes to possessions, uno works the same as me and you. It would simply be uno paired with the possession. So for example, uno family, uno food, uno house would simply be your family, your food, your house, collectively. It also works the same when we're trying to say for you guys. It would simply be fi uno. Uno also works the same with fi as it does with me and you. So for example, if we were to say uno fi clean uno room, it would be you should clean your room. Alright, so thank you for watching the video all the way through. Now, as promised, what we're going to do in the next video, we're going to try something called a flex, where what we're going to be doing is flexing everything that you'll be learning from the beginning to now, so you could check on your progress to see how well you're doing. We'll do the exercises in half and full speeds as well as the English translation, so your ears can start getting trained to what actual Jamaican Patois sounds like. Okay guys, once again we've come to the end of another video. Thank you for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so whenever I post a new video you'll be notified immediately. As always, it's been fun hanging out with Uno. But until the next time, take it easy.